Good afternoon, motherfuckers. Doing some banner installs on this Good Friday beach. Got 2 banners to do. Running out of sunlight. Fuck it. Send it. Well, I actually got 1 done. So it's like a 2-part video, but I'm making it 1. Install banners. You need Windex, a Hawaiian guy, squeegee, a few towels, alright? This is all you need. No stickers. This is lit. Need some fucking sunlight. Can't even tell it's oil slick.
He should said just he just called back to me.
Bro. Oh, Millie Rock on that bitch. Oh, hey, you know what I love more than my carb, dude? I love my pit bull. Were you just Millie rocking? Nice outfit, bro. And this is how you put in a banner on. Boom, you put the windshield wiper down and it's installed.
Yeah, no, you guys spray adhesive on this side.
I'm trying to think of the song. Drop it off song.
Make sure you lube up the surface real good before you insert the what are we inserting?
Oh, I'm putting a banner.
We're doing a banner, but when you want to lube up the surface regardless on whatever subject you're doing.
Any subject, you know.
Especially if you're going nuts to butt.
Like this fucking banana right here.
Yeah, that banana. See that banana's penetrating. Bro, they're working hard. Oh, don't mess it up.
Yesterday they had like 2 fucking moving vans when I was here. 2 moving trucks. There's like 2 men, 1 truck. And all I saw was 1 guy and 2 trucks.
Oh, that kind of reminds me of that one video. What was it? 2 girls and 1 cup?
They do look sad as fuck too.
I mean, they got that one video too. 2 men in 1 truck.
Shut the fuck.
I think it's like a gay parody. Yeah, look center to me, Rojas. Yeah. Go left. A little bit more. Yeah, I'm going off the mirror, dude. And this is the center guy. What the fuck was that? Damn racers. We got a twerker. Top it off. It's lit. There's a lot of noise coming over here. I think it's that truck. Oh, it's over here now? Oh, is he coming through here?
Yeah. He'll put his banner on.
Bet. Rojas said Joe's coming. Joe, come back. Joe!
Yeah, you have a little bit of crease. That's where it was at. It's so good though. It's good.
Oh yeah. This man's prepping. Ooh. See us. We're right beside this basic sticker.
I need to get a new flat fucking sticky dash, making that one bubble.
That clouds, man. So we got Cloud Gang.
What? Oh no. I thought you were talking about the Litty Clique one. Yeah, the Litty one's going on the bottom. This one's gonna go over it.
Let's see.
This is lit.
Stop.
Put it on right now.
Sure.
Shit's blinging. That thing is shiny as fuck. Or maybe it's just your flashlight.
I don't know. Probably both. I'm pretty sure.
It's not even. Oh man, what happened to the strobe show, bro? Oh god, they got bright again.
It got real bright. I flashed him before we lit up the parking lot.
Oh man, got the banners on. Time to go shopping real quick and get lit tonight. So see you fuckers later.
Dirty hands, clean money.
Oh man, don't drop that game.
What is that? That'd be a fun
It's hurt my fucking knees.
Fucking god.
Thinks it's fast because it starts with an F. I don't know, you guys are
Time start tonight, fuckers.
but